Hey everyone, here in front of us we have an absolutely stunning 2.16 carat lab diamond engagement ring from James Allen. Now, I custom built this ring from James Allen using their ring studio, and what I wanted to do in today's video was to show you guys how I built the ring and to show you how the ring translates from their ring studio into real life. So as you can see, this is a custom band that I built. Nice scalloped 6-prong design on the top with the pave band in a rose gold. And I want to show you guys exactly what this looked like on their website. And then you can see this beautiful video here that I was able to capture that shows just how amazing this ring looks in real life. So let's go ahead and get to it. So if you head over to James Allen's website, you'll see at the top it says engagement rings, and you can click on Ring Studio. Once you load into the Ring Studio, it's going to pop up with the default ring. And from here, you can start customizing your setting. So you can choose the head of the setting that holds your diamond. You can also select which metal you want that made out of. You can change the shank design. You can also change the diamond shape and the preview size of what size diamond you're going to put in there. So for example, I was building it with a 2 carat lab diamond. So I went ahead and chose 2 carat, and that will give us better proportions. You can also change the diamond shape. So if you want to change, say, to a princess cut, you can also scroll around in the preview menu to see exactly what that's going to look like. Now, we did go with a round diamond, so I'm going to switch back to a round. And then from here, I can start rebuilding the ring that I already built. So I sat in here for a while going through a variety of combinations. I was originally going to go with a regular 6-prong. However, I wanted to go with something a little bit more unique and custom that not a lot of people would have. And so I went with a scalloped 6-prong as, with a really big diamond, those prongs are really going to be pronounced. You're going to be able to see the detail. So with a 2 carat diamond, that is an absolute awesome way to go. So I decided to go with the scalloped 6-prong, but you can go with other things like a falling edge halo. Here you can also go, they have with something called a surprise diamond, which is just a little tiny diamond there at the bottom with a standard 4-prong design. They also have, say, a tulip basket. This is the same exact thing that I have, except for it is only 4 prongs instead of 6. So if you have a smaller stone, like say a 1 carat, that would be a great way to go as well. You can also do something like this, like the French pave halo as well, another great option. So you get to truly customize what you want. But let's go back to the scallop 6-prong, which is what I chose, and we can go ahead and switch it over to 14K rose gold. And as you can see, it only changes the head color because you actually have to change the shank color as well. So let's switch that to the 14K rose gold. And as you can see there, that is the color that we chose for our ring. Now we did go with the French pave band as well. And then this is the exact ring that you have here in front of us. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this ring side by side with the one that you see in real life so you guys can see exactly how it translates. And I have to say, I'm very pleased with the way this engagement ring came out. The diamond on this ring is something else. It is absolutely unbelievable. The brilliance, just the sheer shock factor when you see this thing is unbelievable. And the camera really only catches, I'd say, about 85% of the actual aesthetic of the diamond. You really have to see it in real life, and I wish I could give you guys that real life view, but the camera is the best that I could do. But still, you can see it in the video. It looks absolutely amazing. So overall, my ring studio experience, really good. You can custom build that band. James Allen is already very competitive with their prices, so the fact that you can custom build a band for really not that much more than any of the pre-made bands and get a ring that's very specific to you, I think that's a winner. I really like the preview. I think it's great, and you can see just how well that preview translates into real life. So guys, if you want to check out the Ring Studio, I will have a link down in the video description. You guys can check out James Allen's website. You can go ahead and build your own ring. Let me know what you guys think about this ring. Let me know what you think about the Ring Studio. I hope you guys appreciated this video. Be sure to leave a like if it helped you out. And until then, guys, we will catch you in the next video. Take care and good luck on your ring shopping.